Dr. Amber, I use social media a lot, like every day. Am I addicted? Will using social media harm my mental health? Is this all just a waste of time? Okay, let's say I did want to make some changes. What would I do? You might have heard that social media has got a complicated reputation right now, especially for teens and their mental health. There's a lot there, so I'm gonna walk you through step by step. Number one, there is no evidence that social media is universally addictive, destructive, or harmful to the mental health of all adolescents and teens. Really? Okay, so then what is everybody talking about? A systematic review of the scientific research shows that there is a weak association between social media use and mental health. Weak association. Like you and your really good friend are directly connected, like strong association. This weak association is like a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend of a cousin. So connected for sure, but the association is not as strong as what it might seem like. Number two, the amount of time that you spend is only one part of that connection. The more time I spend on social media, the worse my mental health, right? Actually, no. The amount of time spent on social media only accounts for 6% of problematic internet use, which doesn't mean that things can't get problematic. Another scientific 2.5. So there was this research study, right? For a group of people who believed that Facebook was good for them and society, more time on Facebook did not equal poor mental health. But if they believed that Facebook was bad for them and society, more time spent on Facebook was linked to poorer well-being. This could mean that your ideas about social media, especially if you're made to feel ashamed or guilty or bad about your use, are an important part of this mental health equation. It's honestly just never as simple as it seems. In fact, I do go through the pros and cons of social media use for teens in another video. Make sure to check it out. Number three, am I wasting my own time? Listen, only you can be the judge of that, but social media is used in positive ways by teens all the time and can even help with social connection. Texting a friend can help you feel better after something stressful goes down. You can share, explore, and grow different creative interests, and all of this sharing and exploration can help you learn more about yourself, what you care about, and what you stand for. That said, if you notice that your social media use is crowding out other things that are important to you, like time with people that you care about, hobbies or interests offline, or even your schoolwork, here are a couple quick tips to help you switch it up. Let's say you gotta focus, like it's bedtime or your schoolwork, or you're in a conversation with a friend, you really wanna let them know they've got your attention. Make tech work for you. Mute notifications from different apps. Set your phone on Do Not Disturb. That way, you're in control of who and what has your attention. Talk to people that you trust about your social media experiences. Share about the cool stuff that you're seeing, and then problem solve any potentially negative experiences that you might be having on social media. You might hear some strategies of people telling you to flat out limit the time that you spend on social media, but if that's not working for you, consider limiting the time that you spend on certain activities like scrolling or how long you play a particular type of game. This might seem obvious, but schedule in fun activities and hobbies, things that you do offline just to kind of help you balance the time. You want to keep it curated. Pay attention to how content is making you feel, and set some content filters to help you stock your feed with content that's making you feel good, engaged, and affirmed. And this last one, recruit your family. Float the idea of making a plan that you and your family are going to use together to set guidelines around social media use. That way, you have a plan that works for everyone and supports you and your goals. Check out the links below for a ton of other tips and some ideas of how to kickstart that convo with family.